lights off. Came in this bitch dripping sauce, I'm clean just like lights off.
What's up, KBK Mafia? It's your boy KBK, man. If you don't know the saying, now you know the saying. KBK don't get you right. You ain't doing it right. You dig what I'm saying? So look, as y'all can tell by the title, today I will be customizing a pair of shoes using temporary tattoos. Yes, temporary tattoos. I know that sounds crazy. I did not know you can do such a thing until one day I was scrolling through Instagram and like this one girl, this one lady, she was doing it, and it kind of like, I'm like, I gotta try that, but add my own twist to it, kind of like do it the KBK way. You feel me? So that's what today's video about, and I hope that it turned out how I want it to turn out. So that's the point of a DIY. Sometimes you're gonna get what you get, sometimes you're not. We gonna see. So I already got the sneakers and stuff. As I can see, we got like a little pink and white dunk, Nike dunk, because my kind of design was more so going towards Valentine's Day, because Valentine's Day is in a couple days. So I said, why not go towards a Valentine's Day custom? So I went on Amazon and I got these lips right here, and I feel like I want to put the lips kind of like scattered around in different areas, maybe like right here, and maybe add a few extra things like on the Nike check in the back panel. So we're gonna kind of see what we can come up with and see, does doing temporary tattoos on shoes actually work? So we're gonna see, man. Let's go. So while I was sitting here looking at the film and stuff, I kind of realized and peeped that this film has like a outer board, like an outline and stuff, and kind of just to remember of like what temporary tattoos is made out of. It's made of like a little sticky film. So I know that in order for this sticky film to kind of adhere on to this leather of this dunk, I'm going to have to prep this how I normally prep my sneakers. So I'm gonna acetone this portion, and just so that I can kind of have something to stick on to. But I'm gonna go in and prep, sand this, prep this, because I do want to add something on these 3 panels back here, maybe like the word love or something in different fonts in red. And I'm also thinking about painting this maybe in a hotter pink, and maybe this and paint the Nike back here in red just so I can pop out. So we're gonna see how this work out. So let's get to it. So we just got done prepping both shoes. I went ahead and printed out my stencil. As I told y'all, I was gonna add kind of something in these back 3 panels right here. So as y'all can see, I got the word love in like different fonts. So I'm gonna kind of add that in red, and we're gonna go in and paint this part hot pink. So I'm gonna do this first, then paint this hot pink, and then we can kind of get inside the fun part, which is the tattoos, the temporary tattoos. Let's go. So we went ahead and taped up all the panels and stuff. As y'all can see, I taped up all the panels. We already painted the back panel like I wanted to. I'm gonna do the side liner in the back part last after I put down the lips and stuff. We already painted the Nike check. So the last thing left is let's get to the fun part, which is putting these lips on the sneaker. All right, so as far as that part, I'm really finna just treat this how we normally do it, which is flip it over, get some water, and tap it on the shoe. So I'm gonna do a test just to see how everything goes, and hopefully it turns out how I'm expecting and envisioning it to turn out to. So maybe I'm gonna put probably one lip right here just to see how that works. Pick this one. So go ahead and pick this lip, and we're gonna test it out and see how it works. I'm a little nervous though, cause like I said, this is my first time doing this. So we're gonna see how this works. Okay, so I flip it over. I'm gonna flip it over, and I'm gonna place it right here. Let's see. Perfect, cool. So I got my sponge right here, got my water, and we're just gonna do a little damp test. All right, y'all ready for the big moment? All right, let's go. So as we can see, we kind of can see it seeking through the paper. I don't know if I let this dry first and then go, but I'm gonna, like I say, treat it like, you know, you do your normal stuff. Oh snap, I ain't gonna lie. Yo, that's crazy. Nah, that's crazy. But I'm gonna go ahead and like flatten this down with like a paper towel right quick. Let me kind of like flatten this down with a paper towel. Hopefully like when I put the matte finisher on there, that clear coating just goes away. You can see the outer, I don't know what you call this, but like the outer thing. But as we see, it actually works. Well, let me grab my heat gun and just heat set it a little bit and try to melt that inside the leather a little bit. I think I want to go with maybe this one. Let's go with this one. Let's go with this one. I'll maybe put it right here, but kind of like slant it a little bit. I guess sliding it maybe is better. Okay, well, pat it down a little bit just to, I'm gonna go on with my napkin and kind of like flatten all that out. But this is the clear coating that I was trying to tell y'all about. I don't know if it's focused, but y'all see that clear stuff right there? So I'm not really a fan of that. So hopefully when I put the matte finisher, that goes away. I kind of can see it, but you can't really see it that much on the sneaker though. Like you can't really see it that much when you come in with the, everything will, you know, kind of goes away. Cause it's glossy, so that matte finisher is gonna dull everything out. All right, so we're gonna try to cut around this part right here. Hopefully it actually cuts and don't. You know. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So we finally went ahead and added all the lips around the whole shoe. And I really like how this came about. I kind of thought about idea to put the wording, because one of them had like a wording that said it right there, kiss me right there. I feel like that was like a little fire idea to put that right there. So I'm really worried about how this tape peel is gonna be. So let's see, we're gonna see if everything remaining crispy. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. If you kind of take your time with this and just focus on, I guess, cutting and your taping, everything will really just come out nice. Like y'all can't tell me that everything ain't come out nice. Look at this. Look at this. Like, hey, stop playing. Oh yeah. We're gonna get over here. We're gonna see how that turn out. Now the big thing is this midsole. We're gonna do a midsole peel. Okay. Come on now. You can't tell me it's not crispy. Let's go. As long as you be patient with it. Like y'all can't tell me. Like, nice. Hey, nice, nice, nice. I'm gonna go back on my heat gun though and kind of heat set a lot of this right quick. Y'all can't tell me this don't look like, I don't know, like a printer just did this or something. Like, I swear it look like a printer. As y'all can kind of see like that film. So when I add my finisher, I'm gonna see if everything just dulls out. I'm gonna have to grab a puncher. I'm gonna go in and paint the sock liner a hotter pink. I wanna make this a hot pink. I want the sock liner to match the Nike check, and I want the back air to match the wording and the lip color, because the laces are already the same color. So I want to give it just an extra little more, you know, push to it. So I'm about to go in and paint this a hot pink. As y'all kind of see, I kind of got some hot pink on it anyway. Then we're gonna go in and paint this red. So let's get it. right, y'all, so look, man, we finally finished these customs, and I'm not gonna cap to y'all. These came out hard. These came out hard. Come on, I'm gonna show y'all a closer look. So just by looking at these as an outside person, you cannot determine if these was made with temporary tattoos. Like, but I guess the main question is, will I recommend doing it for like customers or orders or something like that? Me personally, I don't think I would, just because of the fact that I'm really big on quality. So just because it feel like I don't know the durability, just because it is film on top of it. And I did put a finisher, but due to wear and tear, I don't know. You feel what I'm saying? I know for sure that it's not gonna last on that stitching, just because, you know, it's not gonna last. I can tell you that it's not gonna last. But as far as like, you know, projects for yourself, DIY projects, I do recommend y'all trying this at home, because it is a fun project. Just kind of seeing what y'all can create. And I would like to see what you all can create temporary tattoos. So this was a wonderful project, fun, and I really like how these came out. No cap, I really like how these came out. But I still gotta do the other shoes. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. We got more coming soon. Just know that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy KBK, man. We out of here. Believe it, yeah.